What if your morning coffee brewed itself even before you opened your eyes? Meet the 5-cup drip coffee maker Gourmia. It's a coffee maker that respects your sleep schedule, and it helps you get going no matter if you're headed to the office or if you're lucky enough to work from home. Maybe you're getting your morning joe when you're going on vacation or fishing. This is the Gourmia 5-cup programmable drip coffee maker. With its brew later timer, you can set it the night before or up to 24 hours in advance, and you'll wake up to fresh coffee. Smart, simple, and savvy. The Gourmia 5-cup coffee maker is your morning's MVP. So check out the Gourmia 5-cup programmable drip coffee maker. You'll absolutely love it.